Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a MetaMask account. So first of all, go to this website, to this MetaMask website. So it should be metamask.io. I'll put the link in the description. So now download it and install it as an extension for Google Chrome. Now go to the MetaMask, press the get started. For sure we want to create a wallet. Usually I don't agree with for that. Now create your password. Just skip it, and now this is your secret recovery phrase. This is very important. You should copy these words in its order and write it on your paper, because if you forgot your password, the only way to recover your account is from these words. Otherwise you will lose your money and your wallet. And for sure don't show these words to anyone. Now just write these words in its order, and voila, you're done. You have created your MetaMask account. This is on the Ethereum blockchain, and now you can swap Ethereum to any other token. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Peace.